The redevelopment of the 430-bed Spanish Town Hospital is moving forward. It will include the construction of a new state-of-the-art 6-story facility spanning more than 17,000 square meters. 5.5 billion Jamaican dollars is being spent on the project.
The government of Jamaica is determined to transform the health system for patients and their families. Critical for health staff to motivate them and to get their best output. This health system strengthening program was designed to do just that.
Redevelopment of the Spanish Town Hospital is being implemented by the government of Jamaica under the Health System Strengthening Program. It is benefiting from financial support from the Inter-American Development Bank, IDB, and European Union, as well as the government's coffers.
Because we have built the economy on strong footing, putting in the necessary fiscal buffers, making sure that we manage expenditure, we have been able to reduce our debt servicing, so that we have more money to spend on the things that matter to you. Today is a perfect example of what a good economy delivers for its citizens. This government has managed your fiscal affairs, your revenues, the taxes that you pay, whether it is GCT, property tax, whatever tax. We have managed it in such a way that today, from our budget, we can say we will allocate $87 million from our budget. So yes, we do get some grants. Yes, we have to borrow. Still our responsibility, we're going to pay it back. But the greater part of this investment comes from the productivity of the Jamaican people.
The new building will boast an accident and emergency wing on its ground floor, alongside an ambulance bay, triage and consultation rooms, and lounge areas for medical staff. The ground floor will also have a radiology department equipped with MRI, X-ray, and CT scan rooms, among other diagnostic services. It will also accommodate outpatient services, an endoscopy unit, surgical suite, and an intensive care unit. The new structure will also include 6 operating theaters with all the necessary services. There are to be multiple general and special wards, including isolation rooms, and a separate wing for laboratory services, including immunology, hematology, serology labs, and blood collection center.